Myntri Rangbah juga Jilla belong ru unong ilam juga kinhun Senchar Maglaya Democratic Alliance ukonrat ke sangma ula kintai bentuklar hakabede bagi Jingbujli Myntri haki seng kibe senrop lang haka sorkar habai kren bagi nong thok bor hadem belawai ke jelang ke kinhun Myntri menta ka sngi ka arpasau tarik unai lur aja arpo ukonrat ulong buchanya bet haki seng san perthai yano kinjet banlong Myntri haka sorkar kumbaki hi kilaya penben la ban kdo hangne bagi jinga kini ulong Myntri ke bakhampau e kade haka seng HSPDP ke badan arut KMLA Katau Baranik Tenling Dok Tongkar, MLA ke Maukurwat, baru Samlen Malngyang, MLA ke Soyong, Ubelong Myntri Minta Haka Sorkar.
Been very clear in the past. I think these are matters that each of the political parties will have to decide. We are very clear in our commitment, and me as the chairman of the MDA, I'm very clear that there is a certain quota and there's a certain number of seats for every party, and it will be depending on the individual parties as and when the communication comes in. It will be the prerogative of the political party to decide who should be their representative from their party in the cabinet.
What about from the National People's Party?
Yeah, I think the National People's Party, the state president will have to decide. I'm a national president of the party, so it will not be possible for me to comment. So the state unit will have to decide on this and let me know.